In this question, you have to choose the option that represents how homozygous pure lines in cattle can be obtained. Option A, mating of unrelated individuals of same breed. It is incorrect because this will promote genetic diversity and heterozygosity. Option B, mating of individuals of different breeds. It is also incorrect because mating individuals of different breeds result in crossbreeding, which also increases heterozygosity and genetic variation. Option C, mating of individuals of different species. Now, this is also incorrect because mating individuals of different species results in sterile offspring. For example, mule. Option D, mating of related individuals of same breed. Now, mating related individuals of same breed, that is inbreeding, increases the homozygosity for specific traits. And over successive generation, this can lead to homozygous pure lines, which are genetically uniform for a desired trait. Hence, it is the correct option.